Welcome to Discovery Garden Pattaya. My name is Hans Fritschi. I'm going to talk about these. These are goose eggs, and they are made by those fellows in the background. And I would like to ask you, what do you think will happen if one of these goose eggs falls on the ground, due to gravitation? Oh, nothing. Other one? Nothing. Okay, why is that? Normally eggs, if they fall, they break. Okay, these are plastic. This is a solid, an egg from stone, and these are plastic eggs. Huh? I have to admit something to you. We steal the eggs from our geese once they are laid and replace them by these artificial eggs. And I will show you how we do. Look, our geese are not easily fooled. Huh? You see these eggs, the plastic eggs, they are now cleaned, because if the eggs are dirty, they don't accept this. And of course, we have to fill them with water. And otherwise, if the weight is not right, they will not accept them. And here we put water in those plastic eggs, and after that we will close them down with some super glue, and we get eggs that are heavy enough not to be thrown out of the nests of the geese where we have stolen the eggs. Okay, come in. Here on this side we have some of our geese. One, the white one, she is laying eggs but has not stopped yet. So she will go out once in a while, and then we check if there are any new eggs laid, and we'll replace them with plastic or solid eggs. This one over here is one that is broody already. Later on, she finished laying eggs and is constantly sitting on them, and later on we will give her back the real eggs that we stole from her, so she can become a mother. And there is yet another one over here. She is now leaving. Have a look. Come in here. She has this is a plastic egg. This is also a plastic egg. So she is in the process of laying more eggs. So if we leave, she will come back, lay an egg. Later on, we will replace it through a plastic egg. And I show you now what we do with the real eggs. You can hear the geese, there's a big commotion. The woman is complaining. The phalanx, the man, the humans, they are disturbing me, Oh, husband, help me, but we are only helping them, really. They are just confused now. Now, here are the eggs that we stole from our geese. And over here, they are in the incubator, and you know, we take them away from our geese, put them here and turn them around several times a day, so that the embryo will not stick at the skin of the egg. And then we move them over into the incubator, and here there's a mechanism that turns them around every hour. You see, they are now tilted, and they will tilt to the other side in 1 hour. And now Mr. Bomb is going to take them out and check them. You see, there are 3 eggs that were put in on number 3, July, and Mr. Bomb is checking them if there is any life visible. If clearly so, you can see in the insert that there are arteries developing, and those are very promising eggs. Now the new batch is, we have 8 eggs here that were put in about, this one is a good one. After 7 days in the incubator, it shows, wow, another one making arteries, or this one is nothing, okay? But by managing the eggs like that, we optimize the output. I mean, the results are much better. Wow, 3 out of 8 or 4 out of 8 life is developing, and this is a very good result. 5 out of 8 are developing life, and now we can put in the eggs that we put here. Today is what date? It's number 20. So we note carefully what date is today. So they develop evenly and can later be laid under the mother-to-be. So all the new eggs are in, and now we take out the 3 that we are going to carefully put under the goose that is broody already. Now the eggs go back into the incubator, and we have found out by this method that the results are much better than when we just leave the eggs to the geese. There might be monitor lizards or snakes eating them, and once they are really broody, they sit on them, protect them, and hopefully soon we will have some more geese. You can hear the geese in the background, they are still. And here now we have 2, actually we checked again, there are only 2 eggs with arteries, and Mr. Bomb, our gardener, will put them under the broody goose. I mean, she does not like that because she is being disturbed. So we take out the plastic eggs and put the right ones underneath. I cannot go in, I would otherwise disturb this mother-to-be. And มีขี้ผง now
มีไข่พลาสติก2 ฟองแล้วไข่
no
ไข่จริง2 ฟอง
So, okay, yet now the two, and we go out, we leave the mother alone, and she has already accepted the real eggs against her fake eggs before, and in about 3 weeks the babies will hatch. Here we have another variety of geese, the ones you have seen so far. They are the local Chinese Thai geese, white or black and white or mixed all together, whereas these geese here, they are especially large breed. They are the Toulouse geese. They are from France, and we have several of those together, and we keep them also together because they are very meaty. They can reach a weight of 9 kilo a piece, and that is really a nice Christmas goose for the Germans that like to eat that instead of turkey on Christmas. This is what happens to the goose eggs we don't need. We can boil them or fry them. A goose egg is about up to 200 grams, contrary to a chicken egg, which can reach around 60 grams. So either way, we love our geese. They are very productive in any sense. That is how we breed our geese here. Of course, something very important we haven't shown yet, if they have sex, they do it in the water, and we hope we can show that too. This is a bit of peep show here. This fellow now, I guess, he is very interested. The white one is the big one is the male, and they are quite heavy, and when they have sex together, they do it in the water. Let's see if we can catch the act, and if not, it's up to your imagination. No, they don't seem to be in a mood right now. So if you liked what you saw, please subscribe to the Hans Fritschi channel on YouTube or Hans Fritschi Friends on Facebook, and see you again very soon.